Yo! Starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is going to be $17 an hour, and this first order is a Taco Bell going about 4 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points? There you go.
Can I get some mild and hot sauce, please? Thank you. I mean, they were practically begging for this hot sauce. They said please 4 different times since I got there. And I was only there for maybe 5 minutes, tops. Well, their party is still bumping from last night, and it's like 6 in the morning, so must be a good one. No tip on that one, by the way. Total for that was $7. And just got the next order. This one, probably a bad idea. It's going back to Taco Bell. This one is going 7 miles across the river.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Thank you. Since this is a hotel, I don't really mind saying, but there's a Taco Bell right here. Yes, I do see workers inside, so I know it's open. And we're delivering right here. Nice. Literally across the street. Hello. No tip on that one. That was actually worse than the other one that was in my zone. How? Well, I know how. Timing, but still, that's crazy. Total for that one was $6 and change. Next up, got a Carl's Jr. going 5 miles. There you are.
Thanks.
Yep, got it. Yeah. All right. Total for that one was $10. Finally a good order. And got this right away. This is a McDonald's going 4 miles.
Should be this one ready for you.
Thank you.
No worries. Do it.
Total for that one was $6 and change. Been a few minutes, but finally got the next one. This is a Burger King, $8 going 4.5 miles. Just sitting here waiting for an order to come in. It's been maybe 15 minutes since that last drop off. Oh, and apparently there's $4 peak pay on for the next 10 minutes. So hopefully I get an order in that time. Highly doubt it, because I've been sitting here. This next order is trash, I already know, but I have not gotten any orders in like 40 minutes, so we're taking it. This is a Black Rock coffee going across the river. This one, I think it said it was going 7 miles.
There's that for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. There are like no cars on the road, which is very surprising for this time. That's a no tip. Oh boy, today's not very good, is it? Total for that one was $7. Got a 7-Eleven pickup. This is $10 going 4 miles.
Yeah. Justin, what's that, the GoPro?
Yeah.
How much? Where you get yours from? I'm a rapper, so.
Oh, yeah?
And I do DoorDash too, but I like go state to state. I was like, man, you know what? I'm about to start documenting this and just as I'm talking to people, meeting people, and just doing shit.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah. You want to say hi?
Yeah, this Eat Gay. Hey, DoorDash, you get your money on here.
There you go. Hey, I like the fit too, by the way.
Hey, right on.
Yeah.
Just made it back into my zone, and they tried to give me an order, taking me right back around. Yeah, we're not doing that. Next up is a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is $13, going just under 7 miles. Thank you, you too. Okay, I'm just gonna call it here. I don't think today's gonna get any better. Current time is 9 o'clock on the dot. Current total, I actually have no idea what it's gonna be today. I'll just throw it up whenever I can add everything up. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.